As you can see here, I finished my build from the previous components you've seen, and with my previous water cooling, which I haven't elaborated on here, so I'll just give you a run through. Back here I've got a XSPC RX 360 and a push-pull configuration fan configuration. Up here I've got an orange painted ThermoChill PA 120.2 radiator, 2 side fans on a push configuration. Here I've just got a Swiftech Micro Res version 1. The tubing, as you can see here, is Primoflex UV blue, 716 by 5.8 inches, something like that. And my CPU cooler is the Swiftech GTZ with the 1156 socket bracket and the backplate. My graphic cards, I'm still sticking with my two 9600 GTs in Sly. And for my sound card, I got an Creative Audigy 2 ZX. My hard drives, I've got included here 5. One is a 500 Gigabyte Western Digital. One is a 250 Gigabyte Seagate. One is a 160 Gigabyte Samsung, and I've got 280 Gigabyte Seagates. For my front here, I've got a Samsung Serial ATA DVD burner and writer, reader, whatever. And as you can see here, I've done a reasonable amount of mud work on my case. I've dremeled 2 120-meter holes out, but unfortunately I forgot to calculate the power supply length, and instead I just drilled holes further down. As you can see here, the cable management is really great compared to my previous builds, due to, again, my Dremel work on the back. Here's my huge cable mess for anyone that wants to see. I've dremeled the back of the hard drive slots, so then I can just reverse the hard drives and just put them in opposite directions so I can run the cables at the back. I also dremeled a part on the side of the motherboard so that I can run all the Sata cables and power cables up there, and also dremeled the back plate move offing, and the rest I just ran through the top here, which has a little gap. For my pump I'm using the Swiftech MCP-655B. I got a T-line there just to help me fill it up. As you can see, like from a previous video, I'm using the Intel i7 870 or 860, yeah, Intel i7 860 with the Gigabyte P55A UD5 motherboard. If you can see, with 4 GB of G.Skill Trident 2000 MHz RAM, 2x2 GB sticks. I've got 2 UV cathodes to activate the UV reactive material used in the tubing. And yep, what else? I'm using 6 Serial ATA stuff, just kind of more. Oh yeah, for one of my 9600 GTs, I've got a Swiftech MCW60 revision 2, and also one of them is a aftermarket Zaman cooler, fatality version, so it's like black nickel, something like that. Let's see. Oh yeah, I've got a GreatWall 700 watt PSU, which is of a decent build. It's like from China, but the transistors and everything, it's from Japan. Not many people know about this brand, but yeah, it's running my system pretty well. No fault or anything yet. And the case I'm using is the Gigabyte Aurora 3D series, still from my previous build. I just like the challenge of just trying to mod it and see how many times I can upgrade until I need a new case. So it's pretty cool. I just put on the side panel for you, see how it looks. With one hand. I accidentally cracked out the acrylic here because I thought I could drill through it. But I did that ages ago when I wasn't as experienced. So yeah, I guess it's better airflow. At the back I've got two exhaust fans here. One of them is a Scythe K's 3000 RPM fan, and the other is a generic around 90 CFM fan. In the front, as you see, like a little bit red. I got a red LED Cooler Master 70 CFM fan there. So I've got pretty great airflow. I've replaced all the stock fans on my case. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. I'll soon be posting a overclocking guide for the i7 860 to 4 GHz on this motherboard and my system, as you can see here. So yep, thanks for watching. Bye.